Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ninton and today we will be talking about Airbnb. Before we hop into the video, if you guys have not already joined the LTG trading team on Discord, it's a Discord group chat where everyone comes together and learns how to trade and grow in the stock market. I put out watch lists twice a week in the group chat. I call outs every single day during the market hours, Monday through Friday. And if you guys are interested, be the first link in the description. Now you may be asking me, Nitin, why are you talking about the stock all of a sudden? It already opened up really high. It's been doing decently well. It did have a decent amount of drawback, which is expected. Well, the thing is, when coming to IPOs and big companies like this, in a pandemic, you're always looking at which stock or company you should be investing in, and you're trying to see if this is a day trade, a swing trade, or an investing play. And the short term for this stock is that it's an investing play. Over the long run, it will give you a substantial amount of return. In the short term, it won't give you as much of a return just because of how overvalued the stock is. Because if you look at the charts right now, you're looking at a overvalued stock. It hits a high of $168 and then it just keeps on falling down. If we just even look at the 1 month chart just based off of 2 days, it's basically on a downtrend. There's nothing from here. And this is because you can do a scalp play, you can do a day trade and make a couple $2 per share. But if you want consistent profits, the stock is an investing stock. And I'll go over a couple of points. Our first point is that Airbnb is now bigger than the world's top 5 hotel brands put together, making it the biggest chain in the world. And this company is bigger than companies that you guys, I'm guessing you guys already know. Marriott International, Hilton Worldwide, Intercontinental Hotel Group, Wyndham Worldwide, and Accor Hotel Group, which have 3.9 million listings between them. This already shows that this company has been able to reach new heights which haven't been seen before. It's been able to topple over its competitors in its own respected space in the rental industry. Our second point is using the indicators of the airlines. The airline industry has said that they're set to see a huge surge of amount of travelers in this upcoming summer months. That is because of the amount of stages of that the vaccine is going through. The FDA has already cleared the US vaccination trials, and we are expected to see vaccinations roll out. Then in the summertime, we will see the general public get the vaccine. That's number 3. And when airlines get a surge, then there's gonna be more renters, more hotel users, and more Airbnb users, making us believe that this stock will be a great investment stock. The third is the size of this company. This company is the biggest in its overall sector in the online rental business. It is bigger than any hotel chain you can think of. It is bigger than there's no other company that comes near to this type of company. The amount of listings that are on this company, the amount of users, the amount of renters and customers on this. There's 2 types of people when it comes to traveling. There's the renters that rent out properties for a full home experience to feel like they're part of that place, and then there's people that like to rent out a hotel where they get everything included, where they don't have to put extra payments in. There's always those 2 people. This company has taken the route of renting out a space or a designated home where you get to feel like you're at home. Our fourth is our catalyst. This company will continue to have multiple catalysts from earnings reports, and when time comes, you can even swing the stock too. And when time comes once COVID starts dying down and more people start traveling, earnings will start to pick up for sure. You'll see earnings blasting the stock left and right. You might see it $200, $300, $400, depending on how well earnings are and the hype behind it. As the coming months come in, the quarterly earnings, we'll see continuous uptrends in the earnings for sure. And the thing is, this company is pretty much pandemic proof. There's nothing affecting it. It's all based on the amount of renters, and the renters get to take care of how they manage COVID. Now that I've gone all over these points, we are looking at this chart right here on Google Finance. This is just a very simple chart. I don't need to show you a TOS chart or anything along those lines, but it's just that if we look here, we see this chart is already very overvalued. $68, and now it's cut in half. It's above $38 on the IPO price. This stock is very overvalued. It has more of a downtrend to go before it hits those normal levels and sees normal volume of entries and exits. Once you see a designated normal volume of ins and outs, then that is time to buy and invest in that stock or swing that stock for the next coming months or the next coming years. So right now, I would expect the stock to go back to normal volume in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then once you come back to the stock in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then check out when is the best buying point. When you're investing, you're not thinking about the little $2 changes in when you're buying, because you know that the stock will be very profitable and past completely those buying points in the future. And when you're swinging, you're not too worried about that, but you're still trying to look for a decent buying point. Now that I've given you guys all this information, please do your own due diligence. And if you guys have any questions, please comment that down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you guys want to support the channel, please hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Again, the Discord channel will be the first link in the description. Come check it out. If it's not for you guys, that's perfectly fine. If it's for you guys, I would love to see you guys there. Again, it will be the first link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.